Hi YouTube, welcome to the Max and Me channel. Today I got a special unboxing. These two items, kind of old school everyday carry and a new school everyday carry. One of these items, I believe, like every man should own one, and the other one is kind of a new school thing, and a lot of people are gonna wonder why I have something like this. Well, let me get into it. First of all, I know what this one is. This is probably gonna be a Steve Robbins EDC pocket top that I just bought. Now you're gonna say, a pocket top? Yeah, you've probably seen a couple of these videos already on these new everyday carry pocket tops, and people talk trash about them, and I guess they just don't understand what goes into them. They are basically functioning pieces of art. No two are alike. They are one of a kind. They are made right here in Massachusetts, where I'm from, and they're pretty damn expensive when it comes down to it for a small little piece of copper that I'm about to show you when unboxed. So let me get something to cut this open. I'll use my neck knife today. Cold steel, obviously. If you want to see a video on this, it'll be in the description down below. So it's either going to be the pocket top. Nope, it's the Zippo. So I was wrong. This is the Zippo. I thought this was going to be the pocket top. So let's get into the Zippo for now. I got this Zippo because, you know, Zippos have been around probably since World War I or World War II. I don't really know. And obviously, hey, crinkle crack. There you go, guys. That's for you fucking ASMR people out there. And obviously, you know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to throw that right on my floor. Filling stuff you don't need to see. Mash drop box. That goes to the side also. So, let me get into the little carrier first. I bought this little leather pouch with it. Pretty damn cool. Every guy should own something to start fire. Now I got this model, and it's the beat up looking one. Yeah, brand spanking new. $26.95. I don't think I paid $26.95 for it. Why is my camera so blurry? It's the shininess of it. So that's my Zippo I just got off Mass Drop. I think I paid about $26 altogether with shipping. I think it was around 19 bucks. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Well, let me look at the paperwork and I'll tell you exactly. Tumbled armor. That is the style of the Zippo. It's called tumbled armor. I figured why get something all nice and fancy when I'm probably gonna scratch and beat the hell out of it, you know? And yeah, doesn't give a price. So that's my Zippo, and obviously I have to fill it and stuff. I'll show you how you fill it. Hopefully I'll learn some tricks. Alright, here we go. Oh, Yep, that's it. So, I really would like to sit down, so let me I'm gonna adjust my camera here for a minute. Okay. All right, back to this. Steve Robbins pocket top. It's a 1-inch pocket top. I know there's going to be a lot of negative, might be a lot of negative comments, but I don't care, you know. The world is filled with haters. Haters are going to hate, and so just let them hate, and who gives a crap. Don't let them hold you down. All right. FiddleFoundry. Steve Robbins pocket top. Tiny, tiny little 1-inch top. And this is how it comes. It's got a little card. Steve Robbins. In case you guys want to check them out. And this is the top. It's made out of copper. Comes with a little card. And with the finish. And I believe it has a small little porcelain ball bearing, I believe. I'm not really sure. I wish I could get my camera to focus a little better. How's that? No. A little too bright on the light. Let me adjust my light. Maybe that'll help. I'll take the light down a little bit. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So yes, this is the tiny little Steve Robbins 1-inch pocket top, and the finish is a T-cannon acid? I forget. Probably gonna have to cut this part out. This little ball bearing, no two are alike with these little tops. So it really is a piece of art. You can see the little, the amount of detail that went into it is pretty crazy. And about 200 of these went out on mass drop. I was one of the lucky people to get one. So let's see how it'll spin. So I'm gonna try to get a good shot of it spinning. There we go. And I'm told that these will spin for a good amount of time. If you get them on a good, nice, even surface, they can spin up to 11 minutes. And I'm going to try to get it going. I have a glass table behind me. And I'm going to try to get it to spin a while. But as you can see, so far, so damn good. And, you know, a lot of people are putting out videos, and I just wanted to share mine. Steve Robbins pocket top, and from FiddleFoundry. Gotta get a thumbnail for my movie, like as Pug would say. How's that? How's that shot? Oh, maybe. It's quiet and it's still going, as you can see. And it's just perfect. Just that's what I'm talking about. This is why these things cost over $100. And yes, I did. I spent over $100 for this pocket top. But you gotta understand that this guy has exceptional skills when it comes to machining things. Like, the precision is ridiculous. Thousandths, probably tolerances of thousandths, and it's just perfectly centered, and it'll just spin. The oldest known, one of the oldest known forms of amusement, I guess you could say, when you think about tops and stuff like that. They're like the oldest known toys. Like, prostitution is the oldest profession. Tops are probably the oldest known toys. But Steve Robbins, check him out. Next time he puts one of these out, if you guys are into everyday pocket tops, I would say go get one, because this thing is pretty badass, and it just keeps going. It's slowing down now, but I mean, how long have I been talking and it's been sitting there already? Probably a couple of minutes already. So this has been my Zippo lighter and Steve Robbins unboxing. One more thing about this mass drop stuff. If you guys sign up down below in the link provided to mass drop to buy these products, you help me out, and I'll get a free gift box at some point after 5 people join and actually make a purchase. And that goes the same for anybody that signs up. If you get 5 people to join mass drop and make a purchase, mass drop will send you a free box. So sign up, guys, if you guys like buying this stuff, if you enjoy my videos, if you want to see me get some free box. Which guy doesn't like some free box? So check it out, massdrop.com. Check out the Steve Robbins pocket top. I think there's another drop coming now for these, but it's limited to 50. The drop I joined, I believe it was like 100 or 200. I'm not sure. But check out Mass Drop. You get Zippo lighters, all kinds of stuff. If you see any of my other videos, I got a couple of another knife from Mass Drop. And you save yourself anywhere from 30 to 60% when you order this stuff. Like this top, this Robbins top is probably 150, maybe more. When he sells it, I got it for like 120, 130, somewhere around there, with shipping, I believe. But definitely something worth checking out. And thanks again, YouTube. Have a great one.